What's up, guys? Welcome back to part 2 of the brand new transmission. We got one side of the axle done. We're gonna go ahead and assemble the driver's side of the axle with the new side differential gears from Beetle. So let's go ahead and get started. So there isn't a lot of videos out there on a step-by-step on how to install the axle and the axle tube, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and put the fulcrum plates in. It's already pre-lubed it. Just slide on like that. Lube this gear. Slides in. And then we're going to put the shim in, shiny side inward. And there's like a key, just line up with the key in there. Like that. And then your snap ring. Kind of sucks when your hands are all oily from the tranny oil. And then when that snap ring is in there, I usually go in and tap it lightly. That way it's properly seated, which kind of looks like it. Give it a couple more. And then since this is a pretty bougie transmission, it uses 2 snap rings to hold the axle in place. That heavy duty differential, or whatever you want to call it. And then again, tap it in. That's it. Axle's in. Now it's time for the axle tube. Alright, guys, so now we're going to put the axle tube on. I usually just put oil and then just lube this around. And I lube this guy. On, let it sit for a second. Now we're going to go ahead and glue the gaskets on there. Alright, guys, since now we put the gaskets on, we're going to go ahead and put the tube on. That's it. Let's put on the axle boot. Alright guys, so the axle tube is installed. Now we're going to move on to the wheel bearing and the end cap. That is it, guys. Both axles are on. Looking pretty good. Spins. Freaking awesome. So now we're gonna go ahead and put the tranny mounts on, and it'll be ready to install into the bike. All right, guys, so the tranny is all ready to go with new mounts, new throwout bearing, rubber, ready to go. Alright guys, so there it is. The transmission is installed. I got the axle tubes bolted onto the pan. Solid mounts, front and rear. I'm gonna get new drums and new brakes. All this is gonna be brand new. Alright guys, that's it for this weekend. I've got the engine installed. I'm gonna go ahead and put everything back together, and it should be running on the next video. Peace!